The workspace is clear. I think I have everything I need to complete the skylights project. We made these a long time ago. We have to make another 2. We've caught up. So now I have 4 window frames and, well, next I have to add everything else to it. Hinges, I think. I need to attach that, and I need to attach them. This has to be done before any glass can go in. I can't just weld them straight on because I want to put a rubber strip. So I bought some samples. Oh, that's really good. I bought these as samples, but what I'm going to do is use them as spacers so that when I weld my hinges on, they'll be in the right position to set them, if that makes sense. So I've left plenty of tolerance. There's plenty of tolerance for these things, but the idea is that they'll be quite snug, I'm hoping. The next thing is that has to be welded on. Four sets of skylights. This is my bucket of scrap. Another bucket of scraps. And I have selected these little bits so that I can put that on. I've just drilled 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I thought in the name of efficiency I could go up and just weld these onto the roof and then cut out the steel later, but I sort of knew this might be a problem, but it's too wobbly. If I cut out the steel first and then clamped everything together and then welded it, that would make a lot more sense. But unfortunately I don't have the windows made up to cover over, so if I did that cut and weld it now, I'd have a massive hole in my boat. So what I'm going to have to do now is pause on this and get the windows made up. Now I'm going to drill holes in the side of the window. You're probably thinking, why is he drilling holes in the side of it? Wait in time. Now I need to put on the latch. I have to do this now, and then I'm going to put the glass in, and then a window is made, and then that has to set, and then I can then put holes in the window because I can use the window to keep the water out. Got it? I bought the glass on the 30th of June 2022, almost a year ago. Unfortunately, one of the panes of glass was left off the order, and I think maybe something happened to it, and they remade the fourth and shipped it to me. But unfortunately the fourth has had a flaw in it, and the company has immediately, without question, are making another one up for me and replacing it. The other one looked like this. Yeah, so those bubbles are the laminate between the two panes of glass. Toughened glass either side and a laminate in between. I'm probably going to have to make a wooden plate or a piece of wood that goes over the windows as I cruise, because even though they're toughened laminate glass, I'm sure a block hitting it will do some damage, so I'm not going to take the risk, so I'll cover them when I'm cruising. I'm going to use Sikaflex to hold them in. Keep it nice and simple. If I ever need to take the glass out, I can take it out easily. There's little holes, and that's to allow the Sikaflex to grip onto the sides, and there's a groove where the laminate is, and that'll grip it as well. To be fair, why the windows would ever be upside down is I can't conceive unless you're taking it off, but one would hope the glass wouldn't fall out. Anyway, let's see. If it doesn't work, we can try something else. The Sikaflex is now dry to what I assume is the extent. Now the question is, how easy is it going to be to clean the excess off? And the answer is going to be easy, I think. Let's put this window in. So I have my little holes so I know where I am. And listen to it close. And it's wobbly glass. So now I have to set that fella up. I have to make a thing for that. Okay, I'm going to put in the tiniest screws. You're probably not going to see it from there. The difference down there is insane. I just can't get over how bright it is in here. This window here in the corner, I have my little makeshift curtain. This window in the corner will be, my bed will be in here. So I'll be able to look out the window and that's what I'll see. Now, I do need to make covers. This is what the wood is for. 3 of the skylights are done, and I have 4 of the covers done. So when I get that pane of glass back, I will be able to put it in.